In this video, I want to show you how you can change your website name on Wix. So a few days ago or weeks ago, I'm not sure, I made a video about this and I saw some comments that this didn't work for some people. So I just wanted to do an update and show you another way to change your website name on Wix. So all you need to do is go to My Sites, which you can find at the top left corner. And right here, you'll then see your websites. Now what you can do, you can select one of those and then you'll see Site Actions. Click on that and then you'll find Rename Site. Click on Rename Site. And right there, you can then rename your website. You can also change the site address, and that's pretty much how you can change this website name. Now, if this video helps you out, please leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and let me know in the comments down below if it works, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I would appreciate that as well, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.